tomorrow we're going to be at Cadiz, and this is the sunset. So Marie tells me that this is called the promenade that we're on right now. So here it is. Okay, this camera can't zoom, so from experience the moon is probably just going to look like a pinpoint. Into the first port of Cadiz. Wow. Anthem of the seas. And we've just been to a place that does fresh orange juice.